Hello, welcome to Friars Motor Company. I've got a nice car to tell you about here. It's a 2012 Renault Kangoo 1600 Expression, which was the top model in the range. Automatic, air conditioning, 33,000 miles. It's in this very pretty metallic surf blue. And as you might have guessed, it's converted for wheelchair access by Allied. And they're the largest converter of wheelchair cars. There's its user guide, tells you how to put the ramp down, attach the straps. Goes on there. There's a catalogue for when it was new. Tells you what a nice car they are. Now, servicing wise, it was serviced at 8,000 miles by Renault in Wirral, 12,000 miles by Renault in Wirral, and MFL annual WAV service at 15, at 18,000 miles, and MOT in service in May 17. Then we go on to service book and a few bills. On one of the MOTs, brake pads and discs were criticised as being with a lip on, and they were replaced. It's had a new cam belt here at 33,000 miles, so plenty of servicing. Now in the front of the car, it's a lovely comfortable car, 4-speed automatic, conventional, holds you on hills. So no problems there. We've also got cruise control if you like that, seat height adjustment, storage in the centre armrest, glove box, storage over the windscreen, flight boxes in the rear, picnic tables in the back. Now at the back here we've got the lowered floor, and I've got the safety straps attached. They hold you as you go in, and then when you are in position, they're your front restraints. So I'll put that switch in the up position. That means is you're going to lock. And we push up the ramp. It's a nice ramp. Into position. It's holding it. These go on the back like that, and then around. You have to press that red button. Right there. I think I can just about do that. There you are. Same that side. Seat belt around the wheelchair user, plugging in there, and you're off. It really is a 1-minute job. Now the ramp is a bifold, weighs about 3-4 pounds. Top goes out of the way, so it's not going to get in your field of view. In the front here, driver's side, there's your seat height adjustment, up and down, steering column goes up and down, electric windows, electric mirrors. They also turn in both sides, which is good. And we switch on the ignition. There's the mileage, completely guaranteed. At the end here you've got a button for the fuel computer. Checks your oil level, fuel used, range of fuel. So I say I find it interesting on a journey because you can just ease off the throttle to get the best economy. Steering controls for the radio there, air conditioning. Just have a quick look under the bonnet. It's a very conventional 1600 petrol engine, and if you've been looking for automatic, you understand that there's very few petrol automatic wheelchair cars about. Getting harder to find in nice condition. Would have cost £16,000, I would guess, so good value.